everyone, this is Charlene from NEWINDU. Today I will take you to Sanhe warehouse to review the excellent performance of our core partner for efficient logistics, HANGCHA A2 series CPCD35 IC Forklift. Let's go! Behind me is today's star product CPCD35. This forklift has a rated load of 3.5 tons and is equipped with a full-wheel overhand guard and a wide-wheel mast as standard. It is also equipped with a diesel engine that meets national 3 emission standards and a stable and strong power output with a daily endurance of more than 10 hours that is designed for high-intensity warehousing operations. Usually, the standard configuration is equipped with a 2-stage 3-meter mast, but you can also choose other specifications. For example, the current model is equipped with a full free 3-stage mast with a maximum lifting height of 4.7 meters, so it can also work in containers. And here we can see the side shifter, which can make your work more flexible. Then I like to introduce the tires of this forklift, the solid tire. No need frequently repair or change tires. Compared with pneumatic tires, it has a longer survival life, and more importantly, it completes with the environmental protection concept. Now I'm sitting in this forklift, align the operating environment, and easy to understand display screen, which can bring convenience to your work. Okay, that's all about this star product. If you have any questions about CPCD35, please leave your comments below this video. See you next time. Bye!